Eza.
Tommy, Jonga, singing competition, Tommy. Tommy, Jonga. But heavy Tommy thing, Tommy Uza, it's all Tommy. Tommy, yes, I know the fool of Tompati, Banana, the Flip Palasana Tombana is a been dim Tommy, the Funatomba Kalengampa, is judged Tommy Sana, yes, I was a good man, Tommy, the Funatomi, about the Kalangampa, who has been a mighty
Ndivile mama.
Uzabukhona?
Ankayazi sho mama nami ndikuthemisa shana.
Sekucelile kumama.
Ngicela kuyo mama.
Yo, ayifuna ukucela Chomi sibe phana.
Ufuna sibe phana yani kodwa basawena competition.
Yo, esanikudala nivunyelwe ke.
Jo
dala sathi. Sambe senamcela nje mama bese ivuma ngoko. Khabe nibuza into eninzi.
Hayi ke shoma kumnandi bangoko.
Ustrict kumamakho. Yo, sana ngavumeli ke. Mama, engicela ungena ku-sing competition ezaba lapha eMishini. Mishini ewulwini.
Oh, nansi le ntokazi. Nomkhitangazi. Buya ndiphambanisa ubuhle bakho. Ngiyacela mamela. Ungawe ndiyasifela. Aw, dudlu ntokazi. Uyandikhupha okanye yanifaka? Xa undikhupha entluphekweni, xa undifaka entliziyweni yakho, ungabuthini wena ntokazi? Aw, eso smile madoda. Wamamatheka umntana womntu. Aw, xa kwekuphendula.
Ngicela ukuba ndijoyine inathi i-singing competition ezoba lapha eMishini.
Impela uhlobo lunike mntanami leyo. Kaloku thina sifundayo ngathi.
Mama xa uzawuba kho abantu bazoyocula abantwana senze i-competition sicule mama, then ukhethwa umuntu owinileyo ahambe no-Heavy M.
Okay, ke mfana. Bayibalulekile hayi tazikhulula ngahamba.
Nkosi.
Yake kudala ndiyiva mani lento ingxola qha bengayazi
bichokozela mani ndenzela inhloko engathi yakho xa iqhelwa hayi mani ndenzela i-nerves yazi i-nerves ungaphindi ucule sisi
uyasingcolela baba
ungaphindi ngabawo wazi intoni khona yamazi khona u-DJ Heavy M yayazi khona ukuthi DJ wazi intoni uzohamba naye competition nje wazi intoni
apha
wazi intoni ungabisayazi mani angabisa ingenele competition angabisa wazi intoni awazini into levels yini yabona mosini usana khawume majonga mani uzafika sithi ngesandla wazi nix wena awusuyiswe ngamehlo abomvu sana wazi nix wena sehlike besajonge nje mehla ntshwara ngane zamantu masimshiyeni manje myu ngiphanze ndalifine kaphinde uthine asingabona
yazingcolela manje
You guys you're gonna be so amazed. We're gonna go first with number 20, but before we start, DJ Kausti Vandavanda Mangulo. Yes. Give it up, give it up, give it up! Breathe, perform. Are you ready? What is it?
abafuna ufanana nawe mbali but another way umuhle ngakhona ithando yindoni na uyindoni oluthando thando yindoni na thando yindoni na ubuhle balenzwaka siyo ubuhle balenzwaka ozwakazi wena uyazi ndiwuthulela umazi ubuhle bakho bundiqiba mazwi
I love you, want me, wewe tembeleni yami, ngekensuke eduze kwakho inhliziyo ixwela uthando ngalamagama ndithi I love you. My sugar and spice, sithembiso sami.
Gebo siyathandana uyalubasithanda nesilale emadongeni
Uyabona ndinovuyo xa ngibona ubuso bakho. Just breathe in and out. There you guys are ready.
Mna ngizondwa ngabantu, ngizondwa ngumakhelwane, angazuba ngenzeni nakumakhelwane.
Mna
Ngizondwa ngabantu, ngizondwa ngumakhelwane, angazuba ngenzeni nakumakhelwane. Kanibize noba ngumama, azongikhulula, ngisemzini weqaqa. Sithandwa sami, ngiyasifela ngawe, ngithanda wena baby, ngifuna wena laviwa. Yazi lutho baby uyangithanda.
Sobiza unumber 45 sicela ngene. Ogqibela I think so uzayena. So sicela uze number 45 please. Number 45. Sicela unumber 45. Sisi awukho nobakho apha programini njani ungena njani ungekho nobakho apha. What is this? So I don't know, I understand lo kwenzeka ntoni because ungena ngekho nobakho apha programini so uyafuna usifaka. Formally ukuthi i-heavy arm. And then kangufaka nofaka kaloku program so uyasidisturba ilonto uzososha i-heavy arm. Why? Because I want to. Kangubhalise kaloku ingxaki. Kangubhalise kawubhalisa so if ubhalisile bese ufaka. Ngoku uzodonga into abenza. Okay, kabenze sibone ke.
Ndandisemnyameni ndingamboni nalo mnyango.
Siyaxolisa ngale nto eyenzekileyo bethunana guys.
Woo!
yethu show yethu. So now sizonikela ku-judges zethu plus no-DJ Heavy M wethu odumileyo osaziwayo. Bazosixelela ke ngokuthi amasasihambe njani, siqhube njani, kwenzeke ntoni, ibhatakaliwile na okanye kwenzeke njani na. So
Thank you, MC. I hope you are not MC still for Master of Confusions. Guys, my name is Heavy M, the big M. First and foremost, Ahmad. Let me speak as a cause for the Sugaba anyway. And the proudest cause of some. And the Bullet organizers, the show, to abantu aba-involved ke-yonke. I think now this is the big moment. Apho sizochaza the next Heavy M. Guys, out of all bonke abantu balapha siphume ne-3 candidates. It's not that mhlawumbe abanye abo bengaculanga beculile, but sifuna umuntu oyi-one. Baculile mana abantu aba, I'm sure nee-judges zam zonke zonelisekile. Ndiyathanda ixesha. Ndicela uqala ngo-top 3 yethu. Ne-top 3, ne-top 2, ne-top 1. Lena izawuwina. I-top 3 yethu jersey number 31 ndicela nje uphume apha. Uh, 21. So number 21 wethu ngingambona small number 31 sorry. Number 21 ngingambona emncinci kodwa lephuma pha. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the crew yam apha a moment. Figure lamsus. Number 1 wethu. Yes, siphume naye apha. If we are the one, ngithathe nonke mankosi necolini. Kodwa ke guys siphume inflected. Unumber 21 wethu. Yo sorry. Unumber 1 wethu. Hey. Number 337. Now, number 37, number 1 wethu. It shows that can't sibuve thina sonke. If any comment apha kwipho yakho, then sort of pray, but that's about 7. So which means you are impressive. We impress umuntu bakho. Come with this flavors yethu. Now, i-comment endinayo yakho, i-voice yakho, i-excellent. I-feelings ne-actions, dance, le ngoma ifike umphefumulo. Yayibonakaliswa uba icoceka umphefumulo. Ifithi sizolala emadungeni yabonakalisa uba nyhani actions zethu masemadungeni. Eyesithathu u-excellent contact yakho must make sure uba awufocus only apha kwi-judges. Uyajonga. Also eye contact yakho, you must make sure that contact the audience. Abantu sibukele akanye abantu bazoyithene emamele. Otherwise, the overall performance ibi ngqa.